If your education business is growing across locations, but operations still run on spreadsheets and scattered tools, scale will eventually break. Every new campus adds more admin, more communication, more instructor dependency, and more revenue leakage. This is Growth OS, the centralized operating system built specifically for expanding education businesses. See every location in real time, revenue, enrollments, course performance, and student activity from one executive dashboard. Your academic team moves faster without creating back-office bottlenecks. Courses are created, reviewed, approved, and launched inside the system, ensuring consistency across every location. Instant quizzes, auto-tracked results, performance dashboards for students and instructors. Students access courses, track progress, view certifications, and interact through a clean professional platform. Enrollments, payments, expiries, and renewals are automated, so revenue doesn't slip through the cracks. External exam platforms integrate seamlessly. Certificates are generated and delivered without manual coordination. Announcements, reminders, and follow-ups live inside the platform. No scattered emails, no missed updates. If you're expanding your education business across cities or campuses, infrastructure isn't optional. It's the foundation of sustainable growth. Apply for a scale assessment. We'll show you exactly where operational friction and revenue leakage are slowing your expansion.